So we unleash this, and we have here your. This is your RGM-79 shoulder cannon, and some missile pods, and another cannon. I don't know, but yeah, this is the RGM-79. It has 3 kinds of different weapons, and as I know that it has 3 kinds of weapons, and this is a bootleg. This is from the Geico. Am I right? Geico. I don't know, but it has a GK65714. It doesn't have any kind of name right there. Yeah, that is the that is your name or the brand. Another box full at the side. Okay, yeah. So it has 3. Okay, it has 3 kinds of weapons. So I decided that I will get more 2 of this so that I can display it with all the units or all of the weapons that it has. Okay, and maybe it will have some other weapons so that I can also attach them to other units. Okay, so yeah, the missile pods, the cannon, am I right? Does it have a... No, it's all in Chinese, so we cannot understand that. Okay, so missile pod, it has this cannon, it also has that, it's like a shotgun at the side or at the backpack, attached in the backpack of this RGM or GM-79. So this is from, as I know, this is from the GTO. Am I right? GTO, the Gundam The Origin, or in the Kokurus Doan Islands movie. I just don't know. Okay, so we will just have that. And as I know, there's also the gun cannon. Am I right? It's the gun cannon RX-79. If I'm right? Yeah, which it was already reviewed by Sir Gundam Deck. Yep, shout out for Sir Gundam Deck. He already reviewed it, and I didn't order it. Yeah, still right now when I'm recording this, I still didn't order it. But maybe when I upload this video, I already ordered the other one, or the gun cannon, because as Sir Gundam Deck review it, I saw that it's not from the GTO, but it's from the Kokurus Doan's Islands. If I'm right, Kokurus Doan's Islands movie. So it's a little bit different kind of gun cannon. I read gun cannon, gun tank, and Gundam, right? Okay. So yeah, maybe I will order also that kit, and then with this, I want to have 3 of this because it has 3 kinds of weapons. So that will be next time, so I will order it, and yeah, we will have it here on our channel. So yeah, this is a bootleg, so we will not have a speed build for this one. We will have a live